But even though it's hard, it has to be done because we have to be able to draw that line between business and time off. So it's time to go through these 3 detoxes, and I want you to help me pick which one's the best. Last month, I took a month off. And you might not have realized because I still posted on YouTube. I didn't show up as much on Instagram, but I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of hard. When you do something that you love, I truly love creating content. I love being on camera. I love sharing what I'm doing. Well, it becomes kind of hard because we not only do it to make a living, but we also do it for fun. And it's kind of like what we do to pass time. But the reality is all of us, especially those of us that are on social media day in and day out, we need time to do a good social media detox so we can have what's needed, which is time off. There's a reason why everyone has time off of work, and time off of social media is just as valuable. The first social media detox I ever did, one of my favorites and also the one that I have the most resistance towards, is actually taking a week off of social media. And trust me, I've been there too. So if the first thing that comes up to your mind is, no, I literally cannot take a week off. I have things to do. I have money to make. I have brand deals already lined up. Trust me, I felt the same exact way. So when I haven't been able to do like that week off, which right now, if you tell me, hey, let's do a week off, I literally am not gonna do a week off because I would literally just came back from like a whole month off. But when I am feeling that resistance, what I love doing is actually doing weekend or at least Sunday off. Sunday off, and it's a complete like cleanse, a good detox where you come back to it next week feeling refreshed. Now, if you're like me and this is hard, the best thing that I found that works the best for me is to actually delete the applications that weekend or just that Sunday. So that means Instagram, which is for me what I spend the most time on, bye-bye. The whole application gets deleted. If it's TikTok for you, WhatsApp, whatever you use, delete it. You just download it when you come back and everything is right where it was supposed to be. Detox number 2, which is probably the one that I do the most, which means we can all do this together. So if you're ready to join me on this one, comment the little laptop emoji down below. You'll see why in just a second. This detox is all about saying bye-bye to basically scrolling endlessly on your phone during the week. And the secret to doing that is grabbing this device right here instead. On your laptop, on your computer, you can basically do everything. Run a business, run a creator business. If you have a digital business, trust me, I have them both and you can do them both. So there's no excuse as to why you need your phone. That means when you're posting, you do it on your computer. Emails, things like that, everything from your computer, and I promise you, you will get things done 10 times faster because instead of going on and posting, let's say writing a caption, interacting from your phone, and then endlessly scrolling, ending up on this person's profile, then this person, all the way down the line, instead of doing that, you're going to post and then it's like, you're done, because that scrolling effect on a computer just isn't as addicting as it is on this device right here. That's why this is so useful. So if you're posting, you can basically post on any application straight from the application, but one of my favorite things to do is actually leave stuff automatically posted when I'm doing a detox like that. So I'll use my favorite application for scheduling, which is Later, and I'll go in, I can leave my TikToks posted, my Instagram Reels, Instagram Stories. I need to have my YouTube videos uploaded, I'll do it directly from the platform, and bam, I'm good to go. And I'm literally spending so much less time consuming and on the phone, and it already feels like my mind is a lot more clear. So that detox is a Monday through Friday detox. The first one was a weekend one. And now for my third, and probably the one that I'm literally finding the most benefits from, I wanna know if you guys do too, is this one coming in at number 3, and it's actually using applications. So in the past, I've used the Forest application where basically you don't use your phone, and by not using your phone, you're building up this tree in real life. Now it is paid, but it doesn't mean that that is the only one. I actually have other applications right here that I'm trying. So we have the Focus one and this other one, which literally just hit the spot. It's become my favorite. I hope it becomes your favorite too. So this one right here, number 1, Focus application. This is kind of like involving the Pomodoro method where you do stuff for like a 25-minute interval and then you take a break and things like that. You can switch up the time, but it basically becomes like this timer on your phone where you see and you set like how much time you're doing that task for. So it's not only like that visual picture where you'll grab your phone because you're, working on something, and you're like, let me check TikTok for a second. And then you're like, hold on, this isn't scrolling endlessly time. So it's like that double effect that just like gets you back into it, that I know has been so helpful for me. So I hope it works for you too. This one is a great one. I've loved it, but honestly, my favorite has been this right here. This is called the off-screen application, hence for you to be off the screen. You actually have timed how much time you spent off the screen. It literally detects the first time you picked up your phone in the morning, the last time you picked up your phone in the morning, how many times you pick up your phone endlessly throughout the day. So it's that visual picture and also that scary realization of how much time we spend on our phone. And I know we do this for a living, but let's be honest, a lot of the time that we spend isn't necessarily correlated to building the business. And that's exactly where this need for a detox comes in. As a creator, as someone who runs a digital business, yes, you have to be creating, it's what you do, but it doesn't mean scroll endlessly and have no time off your phone. So these have totally helped me. I'm gonna continue to use this off-screen application. I'll be sharing my journey along through Instagram stories. So if you guys download it and try it for yourselves, let me know in the comments. Of course, this isn't sponsored. I literally just went on, compared different applications, and this one, I really liked it. And what about you? What has worked for you? Tell me in the comments below if you want to share your little detox secret, because I feel like we all together, we need this. By the way, I know right now we have a lot coming up with Q4 and everything, but I do think doing like a challenge together, a detox challenge, is a great thing to do during the holiday season. So if you're interested, comment a little holiday Christmas tree down below. And you guys know, I'll see you right back here on this same exact channel next time. Bye bye.